How to upload your design clothes or clothing design on your Roblox account on your PC. For this, I will show you some of the genuine steps. First of all, you have to open Roblox on your PC, and then after downloading your design, it's time to bring it to the Roblox fold. How we can do it? On the home page, you have to go on the Creator Hub, and in the Creator section, you will see there is an option to upload a device or upload a design. Now you have to click on the Create tab, select the Classic tab. Here you can choose the shirt or pant if you're uploading the pant, and then click to upload the asset, name your outfit, and add a description to give a context to your device that how it is designed and what's special in this design for you. So this is how you can simply add any product design to your Roblox. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.